Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Rebellious fashion haul. So I've got two big bags full of clothes, so I'm going to show you them, try it all on for you guys, and tell you my honest opinion on it. And this video is sponsored by them, but of course all opinions will be my own, and yeah, I will tell you like if I like it or if I don't like it. But I'll put a link to everything down below, and Rebellious is having up to 85% off everything on their website, and you can also use the code Katherine as well for even more money off, so definitely go check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with the video now. So the first item I have is what I've got on. So it's this little like khaki cropped jumper, as you can see. Yeah, I think I got it in the size medium to large, and I just really like cropped jumpers. I think they go with so much stuff, like high-waisted trousers, little skirts. Yeah, I love them. But I'll do a little try on clip so you can see what it looks like on and how I would style it. So this is the little khaki jumper. I just paired it with some leather trousers, but I love the way this looks. The sleeves are a tiny bit short if I wear them like all the way down, as you can see. But I personally wear my jumpers like this anyway, so it doesn't really bother me. And I do have like abnormally long arms because I'm like 5'9", so that is like totally my fault, not the jumper's fault. I find like all jumpers come up a little bit short on me, but yeah, love the way this looks. I'll definitely be wearing it a lot. Next item I have are these like faux leather trousers. So they have this like paper bag style waist, and you can like tie it around the waist. It like cinches in nicely. They're super high-waisted. And they're really thick and good quality actually, and they're like kind of soft on the inside, so you're not going to feel uncomfortable or get like really hot in them, because I find sometimes when it's just like faux leather on its own I get really sweaty and hot. That's probably too much information, but yeah, so these ones are like nice and soft on the inside, so that doesn't happen. Okay, so these are the leather trousers. They're so comfortable and like soft inside. I love the like paper bag style waist and how it kind of ties up. It has pockets, which is great. But yeah, no, I love them. I feel like you can wear them with heels or like little trainers or little black boots, and I think it would look great. We have a little bit of pink. I thought I'd go outside my comfort zone and get something of colour, which I don't normally do, but I've been quite liking pink jumpers recently. Don't know why, I just do. So I got this pink jumper. It's in this like ribbed kind of material, and it has like a roll neck thing. Again, it's cropped, and the sleeves on it like turn over like that. I got this in a size large because I wanted it to be quite oversized. I love the colour of this. I think it's so cool. So it's like pink. I love that the sleeves are super long because it makes it super cozy. Has this like ribbed material, but yeah, I love it. I feel like the roll neck is really nice as well. It's not too much, kind of just sits nicely. But yeah, it's definitely a bit out there, but if you're looking for something a bit different, then I think this is a great option. Next up we have this little like snakeskin midi skirt. I've been seeing everyone on Instagram and YouTube in like midi skirts, and they look so cool, so I thought I would try it out. So I'm not sure if it's going to suit me, but we'll see what it looks like. So this one, again, it's like in a snake print, and it has these little like ruffles at the bottom, and it crosses over. And I got this in what size? I got it in a UK size 8. Okay, so this is what the little midi skirt looks like on. I'm kind of liking it. I think with some white trainers and like a little leather jacket, it will look really good. But I love the fit of it, and it's like super flowy. And because it's that little bit longer, I definitely feel like you can wear it into autumn or winter and just throw on like a jacket and some boots with it and that kind of thing. But yeah, I'm sure you'll see me style it up on my Instagram or something. So I thought I'd get this, which is like a black satin kind of dress. It's more of like a night out outfit. I definitely wouldn't wear it in the day. And it kind of crosses over and everything in the back. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's like backless and has all these like crisscross things. Yeah, we'll see what it looks like on. What size did I get this in? I got it in a UK size 8. Okay, so I'm slightly obsessed with this dress. The fit of it is actually amazing because you like tie it at the back. You can make it kind of as tight or as loose as you want. So I've obviously made it quite tight around my waist, so it kind of cinches it in really nicely. But no, I think the fit is amazing. You can pull these up as well if you want. I've obviously got my ankle socks on, but wouldn't wear it like this, probably with heels or something. But apart from that, this is like my favourite look probably, and I'm sure I'll be wearing it on like New Year's or something like that. Next up we have this like grey cardigan, and it has these really cool sleeves. They're like kind of balloon style sleeves, I guess. They just look super comfy and cosy on the website. I wear like my dressing gown every day, so I feel like this is like a dressing gown, but you can actually be seen in it and like wear it out places, which is why I love it so much. But we'll see what it looks like on and kind of how I've styled it. So this is what I call my like granny chic look. I love the little cardigan. The sleeve details are really nice, super comfortable and cozy. You can pretty much chuck it on over everything, like wear it at home and just be super comfortable and cozy, or you can definitely kind of wear it out and dress it up a little bit. Like I've kind of done here, like I can pair it with some white trainers, and I think it would look really nice to just be going shopping in or going out for lunch or something. But yeah, let me know your thoughts on it. So this is like the jumper version of that cardigan. It has those like little balloon sleeves, but it's more like a cropped jumper version. Again, I love the colour grey for winter. I think it looks really cool. Just with like the black coated jeans, I think would look nice. Throw on like a little black jacket, and yeah, love it. But yeah, I'll show you now what it looks like on. So this is what the grey jumper looks like. I've paired it with some leather trousers again, and I've like tucked it in a little bit at the front. But I love all the details of this jumper, the kind of cable knit design here, and then like the massive balloon sleeves. I feel like it looks really cool, and I love the colour grey. It has like this kind of scoop neckline, so it's slightly wider than normal, which I really like. But yeah, this is what it looks like in full. So this is the last item from this haul, and it's just this cream cropped knitted jumper. Like I was saying, I loved cropped jumpers. I wear them all the time. They go with pretty much everything. This one has like a roll neck, which I think is really cute. But yeah, I love it. I will try it on for you guys so you can see what it looks like, and I got it in a size 10. So I've paired the white roll neck with the leather trousers once again. Like I said, these pretty much go with everything, which I've probably shown in this video. But I feel like this is probably one of my favourite pairings. I love the like white knitted jumper. It's got this kind of ribbed material to it, and the high neck. The sleeves are super long, which I love because it means you can kind of go like this and bunch them up a bit, and it's just, yeah, super cozy and comfortable. Let me know your thoughts, but I definitely love this, and I'm sure you'll be seeing me wearing it a lot. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing everything I got. I will of course link it all down below, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.